Hi, Tim with Crary. We just finished an install of a Crary wind system. We're going to set the slip clutch on it now. We're going to mark the clutch first so we see where it's at. Then we'll start up the combine, engage it, disengage it, and just see if our lines move, see if we've got slippage. So we've got a good mark in here now on the clutch discs. So we'll see once we start it and shut it off again, we'll see if that has moved at all. So everything moved there. I have the one line there, but there's no line there, so everything slipped. And that's what we want to see. We want it slipped when we first start. So let's start it up again, and then we'll run it up to speed. Okay, checking now, everything's nice and cool, so let me just make sure on the inside here. Yeah, I've got no heat on the clutch at all, so the clutch is not slipping. Well, we got the clutch all set up, ready to go. Hope this helps you out with your Crary wind system or aerial.